Hey guys, this is for all the Algebra 2 students. I know that we're hitting the final stretch, and I know that it's getting tough to kind of stay with it and stick with the whole online learning. But I would really encourage you to just finish out the next few weeks. It'll all be done soon, and hopefully we'll be back in normal fashion as soon as we possibly can. Do me a favor and just make sure that you're checking Google Classroom on a regular basis. Check your assignments. I know APs are over now, so you shouldn't have the stress of having to study for those. So focus on what you need to do. Finish up the year strong. Obviously, if you have any questions, email any of, whether you have Ms. Carter, whether you have Mrs. Paris, whether you have Mrs. Santorello, just email them. Please check your school emails regularly. That's the way we teachers communicate with you. And again, check Google Classroom. Read it, read it, read it. Hang in there. We're almost there. Bye.